Hello friends! Warm welcome to this video. What are the video upload requirements on Instagram? Get ready to share your best moments on Instagram with stunning videos. In this video, we'll show you the video upload requirements for Instagram, from file format to resolution and aspect ratio. We'll make sure you know what you need to get your videos ready for upload. So let's get started. Instagram supports video uploads in the MP4 format with H.264 codec. Videos can be up to 60 seconds long. For video ads, the maximum length is 120 seconds. But Reels can be up to 60 seconds each, and you can have multiple Reels in a single post. Resolution. Instagram recommends a minimum resolution of 640 by 640 pixels. But videos can be up to 1080 by 1080 pixels. Aspect ratio. Instagram supports a square, 1:1 aspect ratio, as well as landscape, 4:5, and portrait, 5:4 aspect ratios. For Reels, a vertical aspect ratio of 9:16 is recommended. File size. The maximum file size for videos on Instagram is 4 GB. It's important to note that these are just the basic requirements for uploading videos to Instagram. The platform may also have specific guidelines for video content, such as restrictions on inappropriate or offensive material. To ensure that your videos upload successfully, be sure to meet the requirements and follow Instagram's community guidelines. Please do not forget to like this video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more upcoming tech support videos. Thank you for watching this video.